My case involved a prominent elected official in the Boston area, and that individual, who I believed who was intoxicated at the scene, was attempting to evade the charges. The Boston police didn't charge him at the scene, didn't charge him at the hospital. At the scene, he did make it known who he was, and did make it known that he thought that he should be treated differently than anybody else. And that was a little disappointing. It was disappointing later on, especially when we found that this individual had done that several different times. David really helped to bring to the public eye the issue that was really at hand, which was an elected official trying to be treated differently and thinking that they could get away with what they did. And David brought it to the public's attention by getting it through the proper media outlets, keeping it in the public eye, and it really, in Boston, rose some awareness about what not only went on in this case, but kind of a general issue of what can happen with politicians and anyone who thinks that they're kind of above the rest of the the rest of the public. The best thing about how David handled my case is that he really cared. He really cared about me as an individual, really cared about the people who were involved in the accident, and he really cared about seeking the justice that needed to be sought in the case. I'd recommend David to other potential clients because he really does care. It's not just another case. David is there for you. He holds your hand through the process. He wants to make sure that all your questions are answered, that you have a clear understanding of how everything's going to go through the case and when to expect different things. When you call, you can reach David. If you don't reach David, you can reach somebody who's very familiar with your case and can fill you in on any relevant details. If you have any concerns, he's always there for you. And he's there really from point A all the way to point B. Each client really is made to feel like they're an individual and their case really matters. And every case is a little bit different. And he makes you feel like you're the only case in the practice.